Hey everybody, this is Cassie with Cleaver Farm and Home, and I am really excited to share some things with you today. So Caitlin has decided that it would be super great and fun to offer free assembly and delivery for a bunch of stuff that you get on truevalue.com website. It's already free shipping when you ship it to the store, but we also want to make sure that that can get to your home and get it assembled if you want it to be. So here's how you do it. So you go to cleaverfarm.com. I've got the site pulled up here. And right in the middle of the page, right here, it says free ship to store on truevalue.com. So what this is going to do is pull you up to our store and on our True Value website. And so it does have our current ad right here. You can pull that up if you want. It opens in a new tab, which is nice so you don't lose where you're at. It does show the bargains of the month. It shows our entire sale ad here. You can click on the different things. If you want to buy something, you can just click on it here and it will pull it up on the truevalue.com website. A lot of the sale items, or most of the sale items, though, we should have in stock in the store. So anyway, that's that. And then you manage or join your True Value rewards. You can also join our rewards club, which gives you coupons on your birthday and rewards points, and you get cash back for all of that. So be sure that you have joined our rewards, the True Value rewards account, and it has a lot of really cool stuff, but you get special coupons and special things. There's an email sign up, and then of course there is also right up here, it says shop in the far right corner. If you can see my mouse moving, it says shoptruevalue.com. And so if you just click on that, it opens up a new tab and it will pull up a lot of things. Right now, there's a lot of different stuff on sale at truevalue.com. And so you are able to pick from, all of these things. The free delivery and assembly is on anything from the patio furniture and outdoor living. So obviously it's right here, save up to 25% on select patio furniture. So you can click on that. It pulls up all kinds of different like dining sets, patio seating, umbrellas, Adirondack chairs, benches, gazebos, canopies, all kinds of different stuff. A lot of it, we have some things in stock, and so you're always welcome to ask, but definitely purchase things online too and then ship it to the store for free. So there's just patio rugs. I actually have a new patio rug from True Value, and I love it. So that's here. If you go up to all departments, you can go to, let me see, where is it at? Outdoor living and patio is the one that we were at. It does have all the grills. I guess this isn't the one we were at. We were on patio furniture. Well, this is outdoor cooking and grills. And so this shows all the different kind of grills and grill accessories and everything. All of this can be shipped to the store for free delivery. You can have it assembled, all kinds of stuff. There is another one that is what did we just do? Outdoor living and patio. And then there is one down here that is storage and organization. And this has a lot of outdoor storage. I know this is the time of year where you're trying to find space for like your lawnmower and all that stuff. And we have all of these items that we can assemble and get for you and deliver. So they're all on here as well. And then there is another. Of course, you can check out the sale items, of course. But I believe it is just the lawn and garden. Okay, that's what it is. Sorry. So outdoor living, lawn and garden, and then the storage and organization. So lawn and garden has different mowers and trimmers and edgers, watering things, gardening tools. Of course, a lot we have, in stock, wheelbarrows, carts. There's the storage sheds again, all kinds of different stuff. So we will happily deliver and assemble any of these items for you for free. You can just purchase on here. They ship to the store within a couple of days. We get 2 trucks a week, and it should just be a couple of days, and it's there for you. It's like fast Amazon. Only you're shopping local, which impacts our 60 some employees. So we appreciate that very much, and it's super easy to do. And you also build your rewards points. So up here, it just makes sure that it says free shipping to Cleaver Farm and Home right up here at the top, and it's all there for you. So if you have any questions, be sure to let us know. Also, we have a lot of information on this other screen that tells about the store. And then there is also, if you go back to the cleaverfarm.com, it also tells and has a lot of other information about our store and the things that we do as well. You can get a quote on here. You can sign up for our email. Our email customers get the information and our sales and our inside, stuff first. You can also see my blog is on here, the about at thehardwarelife.com. It's on here. You can do apply for a job, which I guess, sometimes that's handy. So that's on here. You can also do contact us. So you can send us an email and you can learn about our pole barns. You can get a pole barn quote really easy. It goes right to Stan and he'll contact you. Here's some of our information down here. So our website, really, we just redid it and it really has a ton of new stuff. So be sure to check it out. Here's a get a quote button. There's just a lot of information. So I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope that you are able to find some things that you need for your home on the truevalue.com website and ship it free to the store, and we'll talk to you soon. So have a great day.